Hello hairstylists, welcome to Crone Professionals, a premium hair care brand dedicated in providing high-quality products tailored to your client needs. Today we are thrilled to introduce to you Crone Shine Bond Straighten Treatment. It deeply nourishes each strand, ensuring that your hair emerges not only straight and sleek but hydrated and visibly healthier. Well, it is made by Triple Plex technology, infused with the richness of macadamia oil and fortifying power of quinoa protein and power of plex. So this formula is a symphony of hair nurturing elements. Straight, sleek, frizz-free hair. Stay tuned as we take you through the journey of transforming your hair with shine and elegance. Consultation. To start, examine your client's hair chemical and color history along with the curl pattern, elasticity and porosity levels. You should also check for contraindications, if any, like sensitivity of scalp, scratches, bruises, etc. to ensure a safe and effective treatment. Step 1. Hair preparation and hair wash. After thorough consultation, shampoo the hair with Crone Professional Shine Bond shampoo to remove any oil or buildup from the hair. Now towel dry the hair and divide the hair into 4 sections. Step 2. Application of pre-treatment spray. Apply the pre-treatment spray on the hair. Emulsify well and do not rinse. This spray balances the porosity and controls the processing of reducing cream on dry, damaged and sensitized hair. Step 3. Application of straightening cream. There are 2 variants of the Shine Bond Reducing Cream. One is mild and the other is intense. You should choose the appropriate variant depending upon the client's hair type and hair condition. Like for instance, for virgin, thick, curly and resistant hair, you should choose intense cream, whereas if the hair is light colored, fine or wavy hair, opt for mild cream. Today our model has wavy but resistant hair, so we will be using an intense cream. Apply reducing cream section by section on blow-dry hair. If hair is very curly, like if the curl pattern is 4 or 5, then iron the hair first before applying straightening cream. Always start the cream application from nape area only. Ensure that you smoothen the hair flat down with each application. It is very important to make such that you leave 1 cm gap from roots while applying straightening cream so that it doesn't touch the scalp. After that, cling wrap the hair and let it process for 20 to 50 minutes, well depending upon the hair type. Curl check. Conduct a curl check to understand if the hair has been processed and ready to be rinsed out. Check if the curl pattern is between 90 to 100%. That's the exact check for the curl pattern as shown in the picture. For the virgin, thick and resistant hair, do the first curl check in 20 minutes. However, for fine colored hair, curl check should be done in 10 to 15 minutes itself. Step 4. Application of Shine Bond Plex Mask. Once processed, rinse the hair and apply Shine Bond Reconstructing Plex Mask and leave it on for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Now rinse thoroughly and towel dry the hair. Step 5. Apply the serum, after which you have to apply the serum and blow dry the hair. Then flat iron the hair, taking finer sections. Step 6. Fixing the shape. Now let's fix the straight and smooth effect by sealing the cuticles with the Shine Bond neutralizers. Take 1-inch section from the hair and apply the neutralizer. Leave it on for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now apply the Plex mask and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. The Plex mask will rebuild the bonds and straighten the hair. It will also smoothen and detangle the hair. Rinse out hair thoroughly and towel dry it. Now complete the process by applying the serum and blow drying the hair with the paddle brush. Aftercare. It is recommended to avoid shampooing your hair for the first 48 hours after straightening. Also, keep your hair loose for long-lasting results. Home care. For long-lasting results, recommended. Use Crone Professional Shine Bond Sulfate and Paraben-Free Shampoo. It gently cleanses without stripping away moisture. Additionally, you can use the Shine Bond Mask. It deeply nourishes your hair. And of course, the leave-in serum would add so much more gloss and shine to your hair. Do follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us.